How to change language on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and further tap on general. You will then see the option for language and region. Tap on that and now under the preferred languages option, you will see the option for add language. Tap on that and then go ahead and select the language that you want to change your iPhone's language to and further tap on it. Next, in the confirmation that appears, go ahead and tap on the language that you want to change the language to. Once tapped, your iPhone will take an auto restart, and with this, the language will be changed. So, this is how you can change language and region on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.